Good morning, children. How are you all? I am Asha, your EVS teacher from Dr. Besant English Medium School. Children, in the last video, what we discussed about? We discussed about our lesson. What it is? Our lesson 4. Lesson 4. What we discussed, children? Things around us. Things around us. This is our lesson, children. Yes, so we completed our lesson, things around us. Today we are going to start our workbook part. Children, please go and bring your workbook, pencil, sharpener, eraser, everything. So this is your look and learn workbook, your EVS workbook. Go and bring it fast. Yes, we will start our workbook part. Open page number 16, children. Open page number 16. Yes. Things around us, workbook part. Bring your pencil, sharpener, eraser, workbook. Yes. So today we are going to start our workbook part. In that, what is that first question, children? What is the first question? Things around us. What is that first question? Page number 16. Page number 16. Read the first question. Yes. First question is I am a thing. Thing. I am a thing. weare. Where? me. on. your. feet. You wear me on your feet. who. am I. Who am I? What is that first question? I am a thing. Nenenti oka vastuvuni. Yes, I am a thing. You wear me on your feet. మనం దాన్ని ఎక్కడ వేసుకుంటామంట? ఆన్ యువర్ ఫీట్. మనం మన కాళ్ళకి వేసుకుంటాం. సో హూ యామ్ ఐ, ఏంటది అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్? SHIRT, షర్ట్. షర్ట్ మనం కాళ్ళకి వేసుకుంటామమ్మా. we will wear our shirt to our feet. No. CAP, cap. So cap, what about cap? Cap అక్కడ వేసుకుంటాం మనం head కి, not to the feet. Yes. Next, SPECTACLES, spectacles. స్పెక్టికల్స్ అంటే ఏంటి? కళ్ళద్దాలు. కళ్ళద్దాలు మనం ఎక్కడ వేసుకుంటాం? కాళ్ళకి వేసుకుంటామా? నో. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్. నెక్స్ట్ ఆప్షన్ డి, వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్? SHOES, షూస్. షూస్ ఇస్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. ఎస్, ఐ ఆమ్ ఏ థింగ్. యూ వేర్ మీ ఆన్ యువర్ ఫీట్. యూ వేర్ మీ ఆన్ యువర్ ఫీట్. మనం కాళ్ళకి వేసుకునేది ఏంటి? షర్ట్ వేసుకోము, క్యాప్ వేసుకోము, స్పెక్టికల్స్ వేసుకోము. మరి ఏం వేసుకుంటామమ్మా? ఎస్, ఆప్షన్ డి, షూస్ వేసుకుంటాం. అవునా కదా? ఎస్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్? ఆప్షన్ డి. రైట్ డౌన్, చిల్డ్రన్. రైట్ డౌన్. నెక్స్ట్, సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్. I am a non living thing. I am a non-living thing. Yes. use. me, you use me. to. WRITE, right? AND and DRAW, draw. You use me to write and draw. WHO, who? am I. Who am I? I am a non-living thing. I am a non-living thing. You use me to write and డ్రా. మనం దాన్ని దేనికి వాడతామంట? అది ఒక నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్. మనం దేనికి వాడతాం? యూ యూజ్ మీ టు రైట్ అండ్ డ్రా. రాయడానికి అలాగే డ్రాయింగ్ గీయడానికి వాడతామంట. హూ యామ్ ఐ? డౌన్ ఆప్షన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ వన్? ఆప్షన్ ఏ ఈజ్ COMB, comb. COMB, comb. Comb we will use to write and draw. మా కోంబ్తో మనం రాస్తామా, డ్రా చేస్తామా? నో. ఏం చేస్తాం కోంబ్తో? we will comb our hair. నెక్స్ట్ SPOON, స్పూన్. స్పూన్ మనం దేనికి వాడతాం? రాయడానికి, డ్రా చేయడానికి వాడతామా? నో. we will use the spoon to eat the food. Yes. Next, PENCIL, pencil. What about pencil? So now you are writing with what? With the pencil. So we can use our pencil to write and draw. Yes. Option C is the correct one. What is the option D? Again he gave BAT, bat. Bat. With bat we will write and draw. No, we will use the pencil only. So write down option C. Write down, children. Write down fast. Write down. Yes. Next one. Third question. What is the third question? Here he gave a picture. What is that picture? ఇదేంటమ్మా? ఈ పిక్చర్ ఏంటి? సరిగ్గా చూడండి. ఏంటా పిక్చర్ ఏంటి? ఎస్, దట్ ఈజ్ ఏ బుక్. ఏంటది? ఏంటది? బుక్. సో side he gave that missing blanks. THIS, this IS is a, this is a, yes, he gave like this. Empty box. So what is the spelling of book, children? What is the spelling of book? In the middle he gave O. Here at the last he gave K. So here what you have to write? This is a, what is this? Book. So what is the spelling of book? B. Write with good handwriting only, children. BOOK. Book. Yes, children. Am I right? Write down. Write down the third one. Next. Fourth question. Here I am writing. Again he gave the box. A, yes. After that, box is there. Yes, in the first box, he gave F. Again, he gave 2 empty boxes. Yes, children. In the last box, H is there. A dash is a living thing. Living thing. A dash is a living thing. So in that box what you have to write? Here he gave the picture. What is that picture? Yes, children, what is that? Yes, that is a fish. What is that? That is a fish. So, what is the spelling of fish, children? Yes, what is the spelling of fish? Here, what you have to write? F-I, yes, H, fish. A fish is a living thing. Fish is living thing or non-living thing? Living thing ye kadamma? Endukani living thing? Why we called it as a living thing? Fish can move from one place to another place? Yes. Yes, children. Fish can grow. Small fish can grow. Yes. In size? From small to big. So, fish is a living thing. Fish is a living thing. All of you understand, children? Yes. All of you understand? Write down fast. Write down fast. Next one. So, this is a book. What is the spelling of book? B-O-O-K. Book. Write down. Next one is fourth one. A-F-I-S-H. Fish. A fish is a living thing. A fish is a living thing. Write down, children. Shall I rub it? Yes. Here the fifth question is there. Read it, children. N-A-M-E, name. T-H-E, the. Name, the. L-I-V-I-N-G, living. T-H-I-N-G, thing. S-H-O-W-N, shown. I-N, in. T-H-E, the. P-I-C-T-U-R-E, picture. Name the living thing shown in the picture. Here a living thing is there. Yes, children, here the one living thing is there. What is that living thing? He is asking. Down he gave the missing letters. Yes. Yes. Now I will write here. Fifth one. Fifth question. Yes, children. Here in the first blank, he wrote B. Already it is there. Yes. Second one is empty, third one is empty, and in the last one he gave D. So, see this picture and tell me what is this living thing. What is this living thing? What is this living thing name? This is a bird. This is a bird. What is the spelling of bird, children? Here B is there. What is the spelling of bird? B-I-R-D, bird. B-I-R-D, bird. Write down. Write down, children. B-I-R-D, bird. Next, sixth question. Next one is sixth question. Yes. What is the sixth question? N-E-E-L-A-M, Neelam. F-O-U-N-D, found. T-H-E-S-E, these. T-H-I-N-G-S. Things. Neelam found these things. O-N on. T-H-E the on the. W-A-Y way. T-O to. S-C-H-O-O-L school. Neelam found these things on the way to school. H-E-L-P help. H-E-R her. W-R-I-T-E right. T-H-E-I-R their. N-A-M-E-S names. What is the sixth question, children? Neelam found these things on the way to school. Neelam is going to the school. On the way to school, he observed these two things. Help her write their names here. వెళ్ళే దారిలో నీలం స్కూల్కి వెళ్ళే దారిలో ఏం చూసాడంటమ్మా? ఈ కింద పిక్చర్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఇవి చూసాడు. ఏంటా పిక్చర్స్ చూడండి. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ పిక్చర్? వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ పిక్చర్ చిల్డ్రన్? టెల్ మీ. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ పిక్చర్? ఎస్, ఏంటది? స్టోన్. ఏంటది? స్టోన్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్పెల్లింగ్ ఆఫ్ స్టోన్ చిల్డ్రన్? Sixth one. What is the spelling of stone? Yes. What is the spelling of stone? Here he gave some words. First one already he gave yes. Second one also he gave T. And the third one is blank. Fourth one is also blank. And the fifth one again he gave E. So what is the spelling of stone, children? S-T already he gave. S-T-O-N-E. What is the spelling of stone? S-T-O we have to write. Again N we have to write. S-T-O-N-E. Stone. What it is? Stone. Entamadi? Stone. Neelam, he is going to the school. On the way he found stone and another picture is also there. What is that one? Here, first of all write down stone. S-T-O-N-E. Stone. Write down. Yes. In the second picture, what is there? See here, the second picture is there. What it is? It is a tree. It is a tree. Yes. Yes, children? Yes. In that picture we have to write down here. The sixth one only. Yes. What is the spelling of tree? Already in the first box he wrote. Second box also he wrote. Third, fourth are the blanks. Yes. Here we have to write the tree spelling. Already T he wrote. And another box R also he wrote. So what is the spelling of tree? T-R-E-E. Tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. Yes. In the first box you have to write stone. S-T-O-N-E. Stone. In the second box, tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. What it is? Tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. Write down, children. Write down. Yes, all of you understand? All of you understand, children? Yes. Next, turn the page. Page number 18. Page number 18. Page number 18. Yes, children. Here he gave some pictures. Page number 18, question number 7. Question number 7. Yes, he gave some pictures. What are those? Yes, I will write here. 7th question. 7th question I will write here. Here he gave some pictures. Pencil, P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil he gave. Dog, D-O-G, dog. Tree, T-R-E-E, tree. And fish, F-I-S-H, fish. T-A-B-L-E, table. So these are the things he gave. So what we have to do the 7th one? Yes. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. T-H-E, the, circle the. N-O-N, non. L-I-V-I-N-G, living. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Non-living things. G-I-V-E-N, given. B-E-L-O-W, below. Circle the non-living things given below. What we have to do? We have to circle the non-living things. So here what he gave? Down pictures are there, children. Yes. See the pictures: pencil, dog, tree, fish and table. Yes. Yes. Pencil, dog, tree, fish, table. So in that one, what we have to circle? Circle the non-living things. One by one we will check it once. So coming to pencil. Pencil is a living thing or non-living thing? Pencil can move on its own. Pencil can move on its own. No. Pencil can grow. No. మీరు షార్ప్ చేస్తుంటే మళ్ళీ పెరిగిపోతూ ఉందా పెన్సిల్? నో. సో పెన్సిల్ ఈజ్ ఏ నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు సర్కిల్. నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్ కాబట్టి సర్కిల్ చేయాలి. ఇంకా డాగ్ ఈజ్ దేర్. డాగ్ ఈజ్ లివింగ్ థింగ్ ఆర్ నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్? Dog can move from one place to another place. Dog can grow. Yes. So dog is not a non-living thing. What about tree? Tree can grow. From the tree seeds will come, then another plant will also will come. So tree is also a living thing. Tree is also a living thing. Though it cannot move from one place to another place. అదొక చోటు నుంచి ఇంకో చోటుకి వెళ్ళకపోయినా సరే plants or trees ఏంటమ్మా living things, but they can move in another way. Yes, sunflower moves towards sun. Yes. Next one is a fish. Fish is a living thing or non-living thing? Living thing only? Yes. Here what we have to do? Circle the non-living things only. What is the another one? Table. T-A-B-L-E, table. Table is a living thing or non-living thing? ఒక టేబుల్ నుంచి ఇంకో కొత్త టేబుల్ పుడుతుందా? సో table cannot give birth to the another table. So table is a non-living thing. We have to circle here. We have to circle for pencil and table. Circle it, children. Circle those two, pencil and table. Circle to pencil and table. Yes. Up to here all of you understand, children? Yes. So what is the homework for you? Read and write. Read and write. Read and write 1 to 7 questions. 7 questions in your notes. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పాను కదమ్మా, ఈ 7 questions notes లో రాయండి. Yes, from workbook. From workbook. ఓకేనా? ఇవి ఈ 7 క్వశ్చన్స్ మీరు మీ వర్క్ బుక్లో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. దట్ ఈస్ ద హోంవర్క్ ఫర్ యూ. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్? Tomorrow again I will continue the lesson. Thank you children. Bye bye.